There's a nice wide shot. Here we are at the old chapel. We've gone past this for ages. Let's see what we can see. It's boarded up. I'm not expecting to get in, but let's have a little look. It's going to be short and sweet, this one. It's a shame. Look at the architecture. It's lovely. But yeah, all gone. All shut up. Get a few photos. Look at that. What a shame. All sort of boarded up. What we got down in the basement? Anything? Let's have a little look. Okay, let's put a light on. Fighting chance of seeing something. Okay, I've got a torch. We make do with what we got. There we are. Look at that. Into where the boiler system is. There we go. It's been taken out. Look, just a bit of pipe work left. Yeah. They aren't have gone through into there. Don't think we'll be doing that one. Yeah, you have to be keen to want to crawl through that. No, thank you. I bet I'd get into the church, but I'm not doing it. Right, let's have a look up the top. It's nice. What a shame, it'll be worth some money. It'll be getting sold. Its time will come. Comes some nice housing, but yeah, nice place to make some houses. It's quite nice, look at that. Just getting a few snaps as I go. It's a bit rough and ready, this one. Need to get this done and get out of here. There's the car. The car's just left outside. Yeah, it's nice, look at that. I've had a quick look round, got in the basement. That's as good as we're going to get. I thought we've had a little look. Let's get out of here. It's not a place you want to be prattling about, really, to be fair. Yeah, it's nice, look. Right, let's go. What we do? It's back up behind the bus stop. Easy job. Right. Bizarre rough and ready video. Done.